Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Koyum from Autobotic and I have exciting things to share with you all, so stick around. Today, with me here is the Microbit Tinker Kit that comes with a versatile acrylic display panel brought to you by Autobotic. In this video, I will show you how to do a cool DIY project that you can do with this, which is Microbit Plant Monitoring System. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to build and program the project by yourself. So without further ado, let's get right to it. The components used in this project include a microbit board, the breakout board, soil moisture sensor, OLED, passive buzzer, RGB LEDs, crash sensor, and wires. The project can be powered by your computer or a pair of AAA batteries. So, how does it work? The Microbit Plant Monitoring System serves to measure the soil's moisture level, the surrounding temperature, and light intensity. Once it is powered on, the OLED connected will interface the readings. By sticking the soil moisture sensor into the soil, the level of moisture can be measured and classified as low, moderate, or high level. The LEDs and buzzer act as indicators for the different levels measured, while the crash sensor serves as a reset switch for the system. Now, let's get started by assembling the Microbit Tinker Kit. Mount all the components on the acrylic panel included with the kit. Place the components in respective to the labels stated on the panel. You may use the wrench provided to tighten the nuts. Firstly, connect the OLED to the I2C port. Next, wire the soil moisture sensor to the P1 column. Connect the buzzer module to the P0 column. Then, wire the crash sensor module to the P2 column. Lastly, wire the red, blue, and green LEDs to P14, P15, and P16 columns respectively. We're done with the hardware part of the project. Moving on to the software part of the project, we are coding the Microbit via Microsoft MakeCode online editor. This is the perfect platform for beginners to learn programming and creating with Microbit. Head to microbit.org and click on the Let's Code tab. Then, go to MakeCode editor. Now, create a new project. As you can see, there are several categories here. I want you to expand the Advanced tab, scroll down to the Extensions tab, and click on it. You can find the Tinker Academy package for the Tinker Kit on this page and click the package to download the extension. You can see 2 additional tabs have been added here. Everything is set. Now, you can code the project using the extensions added. I'll be running through every block of the program. You may download the hex code from the link provided in the description box below. Here's a short demo of Microbit Plant Monitoring System measuring temperature, light intensity, and soil's moisture level. There are 3 levels that can be measured, which are high, moderate, and low level. Each level output different indications. For instance, different LED colors illuminated and different buzzer tones for respective level. is all for today's video. I have shown you how to assemble and code microbit plant monitoring system. I hope this tutorial comes in handy and inspires you to create more fun projects with Microbit Tinker Kit. Visit Autobotic.com to get your hands on the kit and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow makers. If you have any inquiries regarding this project, comment down below and we will assist you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social accounts so that you will not miss the latest contents and promotions. All the links can be found in the description below. Thank you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!